let's understand what you people have done, what you people understood from your last assignments. कैसा रहा last assignment? Did you understand? कुछ था उसका meaning समझ में आया? Why it was important to have that assignment? Significance समझ में आया उसका? Especially from the ID people, I definitely would like to have some good output, because that's what my expectation is. Because आप space के साथ deal कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? तो कैसे स्टूडेंट को आप लेके जाएंगे आगे, दैट्स व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड कि आप लोगों ने क्या किया है. लेट मी जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड.
किसी ने भेजी है असाइनमेंट? तो देखी नहीं किसी की.
आरती गुप्ता मैम is very prompt in giving the assignments. Sandra and आरती गुप्ता मैम. ये अच्छा है.
done it, I load it, otherwise क्या गलती पता कैसे लगेगी अगर करेंगे.
नहीं बहुत अच्छा है. It's a very good thought process, very good thought. क्योंकि जब तक आप, बिल्कुल सही बोला आपने मैम, जब तक आप करेंगे नहीं ना, तब तक किसके ऊपर दिया जाएगा जो फीडबैक है. कहाँ पर है? अरे where is it? This is the one. Okay. Composition of curve, circle and square and a rectangle. ठीक है.
Somewhere there is a square, somewhere there is a rectangle and one initial. इसमें I है दोनों में. इसमें A भी है. This is A actually अंदर.
तो I क्यों लगाया आपने?
नहीं, इसमें A है, इसमें I है. राइट वाले में I है एंड लेफ्ट वाले में A है. एक इनिशियल बोला था ना आपने नेम का.
इनिशियल, एक इनिशियल मतलब एक ही था, मतलब आर ए था आपका, तो आरती गुप्ता है ना, ए से मैंने किया है बस. The initial of your name was?
Initial, yeah, I had put I also somewhere because A was not looking good in a composition.
अच्छा, okay.
तो I लगा दिया बीच में.
ठीक है. कैसा लग रहा है composition का exercise, आरती मैम? Did you like?
This is one of my favorites actually. I keep trying composition. So this was very rough, done in half an hour almost, but I love making compositions because that is what we have been doing ना, setting prints. तो prints में usually compose ही करते हैं ज़्यादातर. उसमें हालांकि geometrical कम होता है, floral ज़्यादा होता है, तो पर वही है.
आपने A5 साइज में लिए, कैसे लिए? A5 साइज किया है इसको?
A5 या A5. ये मार्किंग्स भी बनाए हैं इसमें तो हाथ वाले में. The one which I have made on computer that is not marked actually.
तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, अगर स्केल से ना A5 साइज का अपना ये लेके उसके एक बॉर्डर बना के you cut them and you put it एक कोलाज टाइप का बना के ना आप उसको एक फ्रेम करवा दीजिए, बहुत प्यारा लगेगा.
Okay.
It actually will look nice.
Okay. So all these have to be put in one frame.
हाँ, मतलब I'm just asking you, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि I'm saying for your drawing room, for your some place in the room, आप just put all of them together, आप काट के ना just एक साथ लगा दीजिए. 2 3 मतलब 2 2 2 6 ऐसे straight just जोड़ के आपस में, and then you give a border around it, okay, white border of say around 3 inches or so, and then you put it in the frame. It will look really nice.
The one which you had shown earlier in the example, that way, no, you want.
Yes. वो I'm just giving you, मतलब आपको करना है तो आप कर लीजिए. Nothing, that is not an assignment. I'm just asking you. ठीक है, अगर करना है तो you can do that. Because ठीक है. So
उसके नीचे एक वो है वो ID वाला.
But बाद में होगा इसके ऊपर.
I would not understand that much.
कोई बात. आपने किसी से पूछा? अगर आप
ID I had taken help from चिंतन. जसवीन जानती है, चिंतन सर एक हैं जो आए थे तो इंस्टीट्यूट में. आई जस्ट आस्क्ड हिम कि ये बर्ड्स आई व्यू कैसे बनता है, तो उसने मुझे थोड़ा सा बताया, तो उसी ने ये थोड़ा स्केच करके दिया, चलो नीचे है So I just put that only because I didn't get time again to replicate myself bird's eye
अच्छा
view. वो नीचे है, सबसे नीचे है.
हाँ मैं let me just see this one. ठीक है. अब अगर out of all these 6 composition, if I ask you to take one composition, कोई
Yeah.
एक, ठीक है. Up if I ask you to do the simplification of this composition as simple as you can.
Yeah.
Simplification of it.
Yeah.
So which one will you choose out of these 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 of them.
The one which has been made on the computer, the right one. And yeah.
This one, right?
Right one, yeah, right one.
This is the one, right? Is this only for me?
Yeah.
This is the one. Okay. So this you would like to go for the more simplification. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay. When you say the simplification, what does it mean by the simplification? What exactly you would like to remove out of this?
For me, simplification is less elements and less complicated. Overlapping will be less, maybe.
Yes.
And yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Shapes will be simple in that. We will not go for complicated shapes.
Okay. So out here, what do you think will be the complicated shape which you feel out here would be? In
this one? In the right one?
You are saying the right one. Now we are talking about only the right, nothing else. Forget about rest 5. Now onwards, we will be talking about only this one, the right one. This is the one. If you can see my cursor, this is the one.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the one we will be talking about.
Yeah.
आप बताइए.
In this, maybe I will omit overlapping somewhere and I will take complete shapes. I'll do this thing in black. जो circle के नीचे एक ये थोड़ी shape ली हुई है, इसको पूरा black कर देंगे and थोड़ा overlapping कम कर देंगे. थोड़ा outline work कम कर सकते हैं. Negative positive ज़्यादा ले लेने का इसको से. That type we can do it, you know. Okay,
ठीक है.
And what else?
Okay. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. अब आप एक काम मैं.
You can understand it more when you do it because.
I will tell you. Not to worry. ठीक है. So keep this thing here. इसको एक लगा के मतलब just mark this that this is your composition which will be taking it forward.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Okay.
That's it. Okay. अब इसमें क्या क्या आपको करना है इसको you need to take it to that stage. Okay. It actually is meant for everyone, not for you only. For everyone, that whichever will be your whatever is going to be your final composition, we will take one of that composition and we'll rectify it. Okay. And rectify it up to that level that you can take it forward while you are doing the 3-dimensional of the same as these elements as a space, you know, space elements. Okay. Because if it is too much of complicated, okay, too much of overlapping, too much of insertions, too much of, you know, negative and the positive space which is playing around entangled with each other, then it will be difficult to control. Yeah. Okay, because you, as I told you earlier also, that you need to empathize first, okay, with these students. Students are, which are your foundation people who have not entered in the class right now.
Yeah.
So they need to start off with the smaller and the simpler exercises. And then later on, they will take it forward while they are into their disciplines.
Yeah.
So while they will be doing the interiors, architecture and all, that time they will deal with the complicated spaces. Okay. So if Aarti S is around, Aarti S, can I see you? She's not around.
Yes, I am there.
Oh, there you are. You are quiet. Okay. So the exercise which you had shown, okay, that's how you give it to your students, you know, for interiors and all. That is perfectly fine when they are in the discipline. Okay. Correct. So what you already are getting, it's great. Not that this is not good, but it is immediately a jump onto the interior elements. Okay. So this I feel will be an approach for them to get first accustomed with the elements, and then probably they will be doing a better justification to the exercise which you are giving.
Okay, sir. Yep.
Got it?
Understood. Yeah. Okay. It's they can jump from perspective to the room thingy. So in between there should be a step. Okay.
Correct. Yep. So I mean, it's like a binding factor. It's like a catalyst between going from one transition from one process to the next process. Okay.
Okay. Done, sir. Yeah.
ठीक है. Great.
Yeah.
तो अभी आरती गुप्ता मैम, this is the exercise. This is the one, okay, which we are phrasing on. and अब इसको करना है simplify. So what you need to do, I would expect you to have the simplification done. Maybe you would like to have maybe just 4 shapes out here, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are so many shapes, 8, 9, 10, whatever shapes are. Maybe you would like to have 4 to 5 shapes. Okay, not that you cannot do the overlapping. Of course you can. Okay, but how that space changes. Towards the end of this class, I will give you why am I saying so. I will just take you through one process. So probably you will be able to judge much better way. Okay.
Okay.
Then how you should be doing the simplification. Okay.
Understood.
Now you come to the next one, which is your, what is it?
This is actually I could not understand much. ये चिंतन से ही थोड़ा बहुत सीखा, तो वो थोड़ा सा बना के दिया उसने, वही है. I was not able to understand much actually. Bird's eye view ऊपर से देखने का, and he sent me one image, and from that I learned. I could not understand it much.
आरती मैम, आप ग्रुप के ऊपर लिख देते, शायद मैं जवाब दे देता. मेरे को कॉल कर रहे थे, मैं तभी जवाब दे देता.
Actually, no, yeah, I was trying to, but the thing was, we didn't get much time this time. There were only 2 days, so we will try. Actually, don't worry.
Okay, ठीक है. इसमें जो bird eye view है ना, first of all, see,
Yeah.
it was, I very categorically said there are 2 VP point, two VPs, okay, which is 2 vanishing points, right?
Okay.
So out here you only get to see only one vanishing
One
point.
vanishing point.
So it is 1 point perspective. Okay, it is more got to do when it is a plan view, when it is you are seeing from the top.
Okay.
Top is one thing. Okay, not that it is not a. You can challenge me. This is also a bird eye view. Of course, it is a bird eye view. No doubt about it. Bird can hover anywhere. ना ऊपर से नीचे कहीं भी जा सकती है. It can go on right on top of this house also. That's
Yeah.
not an issue.
Yeah.
But I'm saying when I was saying that bird eye view means it is not on the floor. That is for very clear. It is somewhere above your object which is on the top. So that's the bird eye view. But what did I attach with it? That it should be having the 2 vanishing points.
Yeah, that was a little bit confusing. I could not learn that in a bird's eye view. How would we do 2 vanishing points? So that needs time. So maybe next time.
No.
Yeah.
Arey Baba, no. See, doing is separate thing. Please understand. Doing is a separate. See, you did not get time to do the work is a separate thing.
Yeah.
But understanding
No,
के लिए time नहीं है.
that
That's
is
what I'm
attached
saying.
to it, because you see, when we understand, you can do it in a less time. But that was कि थोड़ा understanding में problem आ रहा था आपको ये सब करने में कि how to adjust 2 point perspective. I'll try again. 1 point was simpler actually. Main thing is that.
आपने 2 point perspective किया था ना when we were doing the cube
Yeah,
ball exercise.
exactly.
You did, huh?
Yeah.
So exactly, it was the same exercise only. It's the same thing. So, I mean, there is no rocket science for which you will have to, I mean, which is like you need to really get tensed. It's nothing. Kuch aisa nahi hai. It's very simple. The way you have done your 1 point perspective, similarly, you've got 2 point perspective. Then you've got 3 point perspective, which has got 3 vanishing points, 2 vanishing points. So what you need to do, the way you see a brick, okay, from the corner, where you get to see 2 faces and the roof.
Yeah.
So that corner, if you go a little back, and that is your bird's eye view. You get to see all 3 planes.
Okay.
So I mean that's very simple, and
No, definitely I'll give it a try.
okay. So just have a look into it. Aarti, as if it is possible, if you can help Aarti Gupta ma'am, okay, with some, okay, that will be really
Yes,
great.
sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
Thank you
Sure,
very much. Because I'm again telling you, please, all of you, it's my humble request that, believe me, it's my, I don't know, it's my personal this experience which I would like to share with you. 80% of our learning had happened with our peers, with our colleagues, with our from our seniors and from the juniors. 80%. 20% was by the teachers. They used to give us the direction and they used to give the feedback. But in between, whatever had to be done, they will just say that this is the area, this is the direction where you need to see, you need to walk. तो चलना हमें ही पड़ेगा. अब हम कैसे चलेंगे वो हमारी बात है. कितना तक चलेंगे वो हमारे ऊपर है. और चलने का तरीका क्या है? चलने का तरीका ये है कि then we need to talk to our friends, our faculties, our seniors. Okay, we will be going in the room in the night and saying, उठो, हमें समझ में नहीं आया, बताओ. And so they will never say no. No one will say no.
Yeah.
So I mean,
Fact,
this is the way.
ये फैक्ट है सर, आपने बिल्कुल ठीक बोला है.
Yeah,
तो जितना भी आज ये कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशंस जितने भी सीखे हैं, they are
correct.
all from the colleagues only, because at our
हाँ,
time there was no computers, so we
absolutely,
absolutely,
absolutely.
yeah,
एब्सोल्युटली वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि ये सब देख देख के हमको ना पता लगता है. और ये छोट अब देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स व्हिच आई लर्न फ्रॉम माय नेफ्यूज. ओके, सो माय नेफ्यूज दे आर वेरी गुड एट आई मीन दिस इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी,
yeah,
be it coding, be it whatever xyz, thousands of apps, god knows what all nonsense. Okay, I do not even understand what are all this. Okay, so I feel myself very outdated. Okay,
yeah,
but that's a fact. So
That's
similarly,
true. Yeah.
the way my father thinks that he's outdated, because apart from receiving a call and cutting the call, he does not understand what else is there in the smartphone. As simple as that, you know.
yeah,
And now recently he started using WhatsApp. Otherwise, तो उनको थोड़ी पता है इससे ज़्यादा. ठीक है, तो वही that's. But all I'm trying to say कि इसको जो है ना, you need to immediately ask your colleagues, okay, if there is any issue, and you've got a platform, okay, with which you can take your help.
definitely,
ठीक है,
definitely.
तो
Thank
आपका जो टाइम है ना, ये वाला जो आपने जो टाइम स्पेंड किया है, ये बच जाता. That's what my intention was, you know.
Yeah, yeah, okay, okay. No, I understand. I could understand. I'll do it in a better
ठीक
way.
है, ठीक है,
Thank,
great,
thank you.
thank you. Okay. Sandra.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, Sandra.
So in this, I have taken only one figure. That's what I understood. So of each, I took only one, like one rectangle, one alphabet, and one circle.
Okay.
So I thought this right hand one is wrong. So I did one more down, but in that, this color got little mixed up. So it became gray. Actually, that should be white.
No, what is the shape which you are looking at out here? What is this? How do you define this?
This is an S, sir. That is an S. From there it starts and goes down as an S, totally down. Yes, S. And then there's a circle, there's a rectangle, and above the S there's a curve.
Okay. So if I ask you to simplify any of the composition of yours, which one will you do?
So the first one, sir.
This one?
Or the this one. This on the left hand side also.
This is the round one. I would rather suggest you to work on this one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, the one which I'm showing you.
Okay.
Okay, this looks a bit promising. What do you want? Better do one thing. Can you get me a glass of water, please? You're looking beautiful. Go.
Yes, sir. I'll work on this.
Okay. Okay.
So my next assignment.
मैं तो भूल ही गया. Aarti Gupta ma'am, what about your these assignments? You have not done this. 5 objects. है ना? नहीं किया आपने. Thank you.
In fact, this was very simple. This could have been done.
I know that.
So only the thing I have not changed it. I didn't have, because I was doing so many things other ones. So I didn't change the inches into mm, which you had told, but whatever I got, I did everything.
ठीक है.
So now where the room is there, I have done that also.
Where's the room?
The next assignment, yes. This is what I tried to do. It was very faint, but somewhere I tried to understand about 2-point perspective. But then I realized, so I realized that there's a grid with me. So I went ahead and I just took the opportunity of using that and trying to get it, because I felt somewhere this is more than 2-point. It could be a 3-point or something, but I'm not very sure. So just to explain, I hope it is.
No, your roof on the top is slanted like this or what in your house?
Yes, sir. Here, yes. Okay. There is, the back wall is higher and the front wall is shorter. It is around 10 to 11 feet the height of the back wall, and the front wall is 8. Actually, there's no wall. There are only just beams and sliding.
So in your house, are you saying that in your house there is no wall?
Yeah, there is in the sense, if you see on the left-hand side, here, this portion where I've shown with the dotted line, that is the one wall, because this was a garden space. We have put a roof and we have put a sliding door, and that's what we have converted to a hall. Okay. So there is no wall basically. On this side also there's one wall, and that side. And
apart from this, is there any room which is in the form of box? Any room in your house? Any room?
Box, yeah, there is.
That precisely box shape. Okay. So see, idea is just try to make life simple first. Okay. As I told you earlier also, that the easiest thing in life is to make your life complicated. That is the simplest thing in the world. Okay. So the best is, since I'm talking about the 2-point perspective, okay, that would have been really better, okay, for you to work upon when you are taking something which is in the cubical shape. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Because already you are not comfortable with the so-called perspective, as you said. Okay.
Yes.
And on top of it, then grid you are taking, which is even more complex, because everything needs to be justified there with the distances and all, right? So I mean, it's better to take a box, and you were having a good approach out here. That's how it is. 2D is this only.
Okay.
This 2-point perspective is like this only.
So I got stuck with the backside wall, which was longer, no? So I didn't know then what to do.
तो फिर क्या? That exactly my point was. उसको then you could have taken that. You said, see, I have not seen your house. Have I? No. So even if you put a plane, how does it matter to me?
Oh.
Instead of having, you can say that that's how my house is.
Yes,
that's what the visualization is all about. No? Because ultimately you need to make things simpler for you, for yourself.
Okay. I'll take another room, but is it the right way that I have worked on?
This is the one which I'm looking for, something like this, which is a 2-point perspective. Okay.
Okay. So in the same format, I'll work again.
Yeah. So Aarti ma'am, can you see this? This is the 2-point perspective. Simple. So this is the corner. From this corner you go out, and that's where if out somewhere, if you come outward at this point, so you get to see the top and both the sides. 3 sides you get to see. So that's what the bird's eye view I talk about it.
Yeah.
From this point immediately, if you go down from this outside, go absolutely down on the floor, then what you will see? You will see the top, like, I mean, the roof from inside and 2 walls. Yeah. That's how it is. Okay. So Sandra, I guess you will be able to take this one. Okay. And in this, you need to simplify. You might like to remove this one, this kind of a shape. You might like to remove this one, whatever. Okay, remove this. What do you want, Peter? What do you charge? So in this one, you would like to remove this particular portion. Okay. And instead of having this kind of which is spectacles का जो end होता है, that leg, that kind of a shape. Instead of that, what you do, just have a curve like this and same thickness, straight, same thickness, like this.
So my connection got lost for some time. I'm so sorry. I was not connected.
Okay, no worries. I'm saying, can you see this screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this portion, can you see my cursor which is hovering on top of it?
Yes,
So remove this just remove this portion, just make it as a complete, just circle this.
Okay.
Quarter of a circle out here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. This underneath. And this S which you're saying,
Yes.
S, let it be if you want to. Okay. And then don't give this kind of a shape, you would like to say straight, and same give some thickness like a wall and go straight like this. Okay. So whatever is here, exactly the same curve, shift underneath, copy paste, and then add with 2 lines. Okay. Simplify it right now.
And the circle, to remove the curve and put a half circle there.
Put a half circle maybe. Okay, you can do it out here. And out here you would like to have one small, maybe a small circle out there. And that circle will be to counterbalance this circle. It is like just a composition, which you would like to have, which is a counterbalance. Okay?
Yes. And what, sir, about the other rectangle and the half circle which is there?
No, nothing.
That has to be not changed. That has to be there only.
Let it be.
So I have to sketch that, or I have to omit it?
No, omit it. I mean, how will you do it? You'll have to make it again, because now you are simplifying it, right?
Yes,
okay.
Yes. So you just want an S.
There are three ways of doing the simplification. Before, so this is your final, say, your artwork. Okay, suppose, and you need to work on this. So you take the tracing sheet. Okay, on top of it, 2-3 tracing sheets. Do with the sketch pen, black sketch pen.
Okay.
Okay, and see how it comes up, if you're doing the simplification. So within 2-3 gray sheets, you will understand this is the simplest which you can get. And then you make it as a final one.
But only one thing, sir, in the final one, you want all the shapes. That means there'll be S, there'll be that circle, there'll be rectangle, everything.
Yes. But they elements will be reduced.
Okay. So triangle and circle won't be there.
What triangle?
I mean, sorry, not triangle, rectangle.
Won't be there means it is there. No?
It is there. Okay.
Triangle
so in the
is
same.
There. No?
Okay.
Arey Baba, if I did not talk about it, doesn't mean that it does not have to be there. Yeah. ऐसा थोड़ी इतना थोड़ी होता है कि यार थोड़ा सा आपको अपनी तरफ से भी करना पड़ेगा. All I'm saying कि ये जो है ना, this will be complicated later on. ठीक है? So that's what I'm saying. And this is again going to be complicated. So just simplify it. This is a simple form which you have. This is a simple form.
Yes.
Something which is complicated, that needs to be simplified. That's what I started off my dialogue with. Okay. While you were doing, okay, I hope you enjoyed this exercise, this composition.
Yes.
Did you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Whatever it is, I don't know, good, bad, ugly, I do not want to say anything about it, but you are enjoying it, that much I can say. Because from this, if you see, it is showing your one of the mindset, this is showing another mindset.
Yes.
Okay. Then you have something like this. Then I don't know why you have got this fascination with this particular form. Okay. Which you're incorporating. See again. Again. So detachment is also an art. Okay, so work on that now. Because sometimes क्या होता है कि आपको इतना ज़्यादा ये, I don't know what is, there's some.
So I'll tell you the thing behind it. No, sir, that is my French curve. I have a French curve with which I was working. So that's it. So I was using all the sides, angles of the curve.
Okay. So this is like this. There is, I'm forgetting the name of this kind of a thing, which is paisley work. Paisley शायद बोलते हैं, right? Paisley. है ना?
Like
paisley work is done. It's like that. It's very
Yes.
famous. Like everyone seems to be working on that. Very much fascinating kinds, you know.
No, but this is only because of my French course, which I
That's
had
okay.
with.
No, that's okay. But all I'm saying, detachment is also an art.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so detach yourself. थोड़ा सा अलग तो हटो. एक में बना दिया काफी है, दो में बना दिया बहुत है, सब में मत लेके आओ. ठीक है? Then it will showing you कि आप rigid हो रहे हो अपने thought process में.
हाँ.
And it becomes very conspicuous. It becomes very prominent. Okay, so don't let it happen. Okay.
ठीक है, sir.
Now this one. When you were doing this exercise,
Yes, sir.
I mean, अब मुझे पता है you did not like it, but still, did you learn something out of it?
Oh, why did not like it, sir? Why you thought like that?
Maybe because it's a boring exercise. Because I know that it's a boring exercise. Everyone, even I don't like it. That's what I said.
Yeah, I liked it, but it's okay, sir.
Okay. You know, idea was that these are like static objects, okay? And you needed to take the dimension of it. So while you were doing the dimension, what I actually wanted you not to just see, there are two ways of taking the dimensions. One dimension is that you have the measuring tape, you take it out, dimension it, write it down, and just come back. Second happens to be that once you're taking out this measuring tape, you see, okay, that this 1 feet is divided into 12 inches. Okay, and
Yes.
then the moment there are 5 feet happens, so after every 1 feet, after 1 foot, there is one, there's a mark which distinguish 1 foot from the rest of the inches. Okay.
Yes.
The moment it becomes 5 feet, okay, then there is some kind of an indication like a red or something comes out, or maybe after 3 feet. Okay, so now you're getting into the multiplication of 3. So this is one way. So reading that measuring tape, this is one way of one thing. Second thing is, while you are saying 60 inches, in the 60 inches, if you see what was happening in the 60 inches, there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 drawers, chest drawers are there in 60 inches.
Yes.
So when I say 60 inches means what? It will be like 5 feet. It will be 6 feet, or it will be 7 feet. How many feet are there in 60 inches?
5 feet.
5 feet. Who said so?
I.
Okay. 5 feet. Well, how did you arrive on this 5 feet?
1 feet is 12 inches, no, sir?
Correct. So
5 12 is 60.
60, right? So now if I say 60 is there, and there are how many chest drawers in there? There are
7.
7 of them. So what should be the height of these chest drawers approximately?
Approximately. It should be more than 10 inches, no, sir?
More than 10 inches?
Yes.
If it is more than 10 inches, 70 are there. So
Sorry,
more than, so let's
sorry,
talk,
60, not around 8 inches. 7, 8 inches.
Oh.
So my maths is very great.
No, it's fine. It will be little above the 8.
Above 8 inches, correct.
8.5. Okay, almost like.
Yes.
So if you say so, 8.5. So that's what. So you have not even measured those chest drawers height, but you still have in front of it. You still have it in front of it, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So you know that if someone tells you, if I ask you, Sandra, what would be the height of these chest drawers? So without even measuring, you can convince me that this would be the height of it.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't go into the detailings of that.
No, but I'm saying that this is the way. This is a conversion.
Okay.
That's what the brain should work in terms of the scaling.
Yes.
In terms of that's what the whole purpose of this exercise is.
But actually, this I should have known. It was wrong because I have made to order it, and I have put one on top of the other 2 drawers of 4, which had to be actually 8, and then we converted it into 7 because the spacing was less. So I should have known this.
Now you yourself are validating my point.
No, frankly speaking, that is something that missed my mind because we have worked on this.
Correct.
Like trying to, because it is actually not practical to have a draw so high.
Correct. Absolutely. Absolutely. It depends upon what is that, because that's what I was like a bit surprised when you said, because drawers, these are like side drawers. Okay.
Yes.
And side drawers are usually of 3 feet height. Okay. 2.5 to 3 feet height. That's the maximum. which you have.
Correct.
So when you said, so it is something like in the cabinet,
Yes.
it's a cabinet in the form of drawer. So like it's a very weird
Yes.
kind of a combination which has happened out here. So any which way, ठीक है, this is the way. So now you understand,
Yes.
why is it so important, And if I
Yes.
say, where is this coming? The handle, at what place it is coming? How will you say then?
At the center, sir.
Center from a vertical center or the horizontal center?
Both ways, sir. We have
No,
to
it
take
is-
the marking in the center and then put the handle, no?
No, it is not in the center. Is it in the center?
It's in the
From-
vertical center, but
Vertical center is
horizontally, horizontally it's a little higher. Than the center.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's what I wanted to hear from you.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so just by seeing it, you tell me, and I can give you what is the height of this just by seeing it, and you can measure it later on. And I will be telling you it's the same thing.
It
Okay.
would be, yes, should I have to tell it, sir?
Yeah, you tell me.
I don't know, but what I can see, it is around 3 inches from top and around 5 inches from bottom.
Absolutely. You are absolutely right. Because the above height is approximately 3.5, 3.25, not 5. Above height is 3.25, and the bottom will be approximately 5 inches. So what happens while you are doing this? You are hammering your brain, and this is for everyone, not for you only. Okay, that while you are doing this kind of exercises, you are hammering your brain. You are picking those clues, those visual clues, in order to get the dimensions more or less right.
So creating awareness in ourselves about the particular.
Absolutely. So what happens? Why are we doing this? Why are we hammering our brains? The reason, if we do so, then only we will be able to justify the interior's elements.
Right, sir.
Do you agree with me, all you
Yes.
people, or is there something else? Everyone does agree with me? Hello?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
asking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. क्या बात है? Swarnima is quiet, huh? No one is saying so. Today आज कोई बात नहीं कर रहा मेरे से.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, we are nodding. We thought you can see us like at least 4 people in that corner, so we are nodding.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I can see now. लो अब मैं सबसे बात करूँगा. ये लो, ठीक है? So basically this is the reason. Okay, so while you're so now go to the next one. Again क्या हुआ इसके अंदर? Again the same thing.
Yes, again the same thing.
So why you are doing this 27, 24, 24? What did you get out of it?
So I had my measuring tape, my
Okay. And
body measure tape, and I just took that and used it. I didn't use a carpenter's tape to measure this.
Okay.
So whatever lens I got, I jotted it down.
Oh, that's fine. How does it matter whether it's a carpenter's tape or
No,
your
that
tape or...
markings of foot and all, I have not bothered to see. It means I didn't go into the details.
See, basically, if you say there's the most important part out here is in this chair. What is the height of this where you sit, where your butt, where you sit on this, platform? What is that? What is the height of the chair?
The height from the floor.
From the floor, of course. Where you sit, that what is the height?
It could be little more than 1 feet, sir. Slightly. That means 12 inches se thoda zyada.
Okay. What makes you say so?
See, it is according to me from here what I'm seeing, it is not exactly the center of the 27, and 27 ka center would be 13 and a half. Yeah. So it's little lower than that.
Okay, you do one thing. The moment the class gets over, just check your height of this. This height would be 17 inches, 18 inches. Any of the 18 would be the it will be 18 inches higher. 99.9% it will be 18 inches.
1.5 foot, that is okay.
Yes, 1.5 foot. Why so? Because there is one more. There is one more. There is one area of the design element, and there's one more area which is a study area, okay, where you study, okay, while you are dealing with the design aspect of the spaces, and that is called anthropometry, okay, and so called the anthropometry and
Ergonomics.
ergonomics, yeah,
Ergonomics.
okay.
Ergonomics. Yes.
Ergonomics, right? So that's what it is. So there are some standard sizes, there are some measurements, okay, which are not to be shadowfied.
Yes.
Okay, they are universal. So you take this chair, you take any of the chair, you will see where the person sits, that height is going to be 1.5 foot only.
Because you can't sit lower than that.
Yeah, or you
Means
can't
you can't go so lower.
Oh,
You
nice,
can't go
Siddharth.
very
Yeah,
low.
so there are some, some measurements as per our
Standard.
body, as per our Indian standard. So that's what the height is. Like these Western toilets and all, commodes which are
Yes,
made.
yes.
So it's a big, why there are certain standard heights.
Yes.
You can make the shape, you can do the beautification into it, form and all you can do, in the furniture, okay? But it is always going to remain the same as it is. I mean, there are few heights and all, okay?
Yes,
Okay, no?
understood.
2.5 feet always happens to be the height of the table where you write or where you eat food.
Okay.
It is 1 foot above from your thighs where you sit, the lower portion. So again, as I said, it's like standard. So basis of that, these are the things which are to be understood. You take 5 chairs, this particular portion which I'm talking about,
Height.
everywhere height remains the same, and you understand that this is a standard one.
The seating.
Seating area is the standard one. So since you understood that, now you can tell your student very clearly.
True.
Okay? So this is the way
Yes.
you need to take it forward to the students. Otherwise, if you are not aware of all these, so student will make 2.5 feet ka chair and you cannot say no.
Yes.
Not that you don't have the chairs. Of course, bar chairs are quite high, 2.5 feet. They are.
Because the counters are high.
No, but what happens there? So forget about the counter. But what is there? Did you see that is something
There
called
is a
footrest?
The
There's a footrest.
Yeah.
Yes, footrest is there. So the proportion still remains the same. Understood?
Yes.
Taken?
Yes.
So idea is why this exercise was for you. See, look at this. Have you given the height of this? What is the height?
Yes. So it's there. I can't see from so far. 1 minute. It's 29, sir.
It's 29.
Yes.
How much is my feet and inches?
24 would be 2 feet, na?
2
2 feet and 5 inches.
Almost like 2.5 feet.
Yes, yes, almost 2.5. Exactly what you said, sir.
I did not even see that next slide, but I know that that's how it is going to be.
Yes.
Okay, so that these are the things which are to be understood. So while you are dealing with the interiors, especially I'm talking about people who are in the ID. So these are the things which really essential for the students. Okay, I've seen that what happens. The students, they come up with, I'm making a washroom of it's, what is the size? It's 12 feet by 8 feet. I said 12 feet by 8 feet, and that is too in the retail space you're talking about. What are you going to do with 12 feet by 8 feet as a washroom? It is as good as your it's more or less like your study room, 12 feet by 8 feet, or maybe it's bigger than the study room, 12 feet by 8 feet. Do you think in the retail space, which is so expensive, every inch is being measured there with the ROI, okay, that time you will be able to shell out that much of space for the washroom? Not justified. The reason, because students, they have not measured it. They do not know. So they need to be made sensitized for the same, so that then they will think in those direction. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the purpose of this exercise, which was measuring your 5 these, okay, and then putting it into the room, so that while you're putting it inside the room, so you yourself visually will be able to fit those. What should be the width, what should be the height. It will not be the exact height, length and all, but at least you get a proportion right. ठीक है? Okay, good.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So last night I waited till 2:30 to do that last one, which is the grid one. Thank you for being so patient with me and checking my work.
So that grid wala thing, I would still say, instead of going into the grid, go with that.
No, I'll do that.
That 2-point perspective. Okay, go with
Yes,
that.
definitely.
That is much better. Not that grid you cannot do. Of course you can do, but I still would say that is much better way to
Yes.
communicate.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Swarnima. Okay.
Yes.
Composition tasks. What is tasks?
That we were supposed to take the measurement. That is.
तो task.
The next slide.
अच्छा
Sir, measurement लेने थे ना
अच्छा yes. Okay. You know what? I was looking at this composition actually. I was looking for more of a geometric shapes play around, and your alphabet, okay, will be a subdued element. But what you have done exactly opposite. Your S is very prominent. You have just taken it. You just freaked out on S. Okay, that curve. And चलो बीच में हम एक geometric figure भी डाल देते types. Okay, so that's how it has happened.
Sir, और दूसरी है.
कोई बात इधर भी ऐसे ही हो रहा है. फिक्र मत करो. इधर भी ऐसे ही हो रहा है. कोई बात नहीं. इसको ना सिंप्लीफाई करना है. Okay, I will tell you it needs to be more simple. ठीक है, देखने में अच्छा लगता है ये चीज, but हमारा idea जो है ना, it's not that it's only you. Everyone does the same mistake. Not the mistake, but they are bound to make this mistake, and later on they will synthesize that mistake. So it is easier for them, and they will know why it has been done.
Yes.
Then they themselves will say, okay, नहीं अब तो मेरे को और ज़्यादा simplify करना है, क्योंकि बाद में तो फिर परेशानी होगी अगर मैं इसको लूँगा तो. Then they say कि then they ask, can we do little bit more correction in it? और ज़्यादा simple बनाते हैं फिर वो. ठीक है, because you do not know the sequence of it as of now. Anyway, we'll come back to it. If I ask you this, any of these, okay, so which one will you go for? I mean, if you need to simplify.
Sorry, if you can take.
सारे complicated है. बहुत complicated है सारी. और सब में एक जैसे दिख रहा है कुछ ना, मेरे को कुछ मतलब the treatment is almost the same. स्वर्णिमा देख रहे हो आपने एक फ्लोई टाइप का वही मतलब थोड़ा सा मतलब if I see that treatment is already जिधर भी overlap हुआ उसके ऊपर आपने कर दिया है ना. This one
बहुत फटाफट किया. हाँ, this one.
ठीक है, maybe you would like to have this, okay. इसमें से ये जो एलिमेंट है इनको जरा यहाँ से सिंप्लीफाई करो जितना सिंपल कर सकते हो इसको. एक ये ले लिया, एक ये ले लिया, बीच में एक और सर्कल दे दिया, ठीक है. और एस का एक कर्व देके मे बी एक इस तरीके से मे बी जस्ट मेक अ वॉल एस का, ठीक है, इस तरीके से समथिंग लाइक just let it be like just one पीछे background will be absolutely or white, okay, and just have these elements which I talked about in the black color. Simplest 4 elements which are put together. ठीक है.
Okay.
Okay. What is the height of it?
मुझे याद एकदम नहीं है. 2.5 feet.
2.5 feet.
2.5 feet.
क्या
से
है?
एग्जैक्ट मुझे याद नहीं आ रही है ऐसे, मतलब मैंने अलग लिखकर फिर से उसको कैलकुलेट किया।
अरे बाबा
ये
450.
490
985.
अरे बाबा आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 450 mm की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. 450 mm इज हाउ मच?
दिस इज 45 सेंटीमीटर, सो
1 feet 6 inches.
5, हाँ मैं बोल रही 45 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2 feet
18 inch.
ओके मैं बताता हूँ आपको सिंपल चीज. आप ऐसे रखो इसको. 300 mm इज इक्वल टू 1 foot ऑलमोस्ट. ठीक है, 300 mm इज इक्वल टू 1 foot. तो ये कितना है? 150 और हो गया उसके ऊपर से,
300 mm 1 foot.
तो 6 inches हो गया, यानी कि 1.5 फुट का हो गया. दिस इज 1.5 feet. 1.5 feet मींस इज इक्वल टू 18 inches. 12 inches का आपका 1 foot होता है, और 1 foot इज इक्वल टू 300 mm. सो यानी कि इसका मतलब कितना हुआ? 1 foot बराबर 300 mm.
हाँ.
तो अगेन यू सेड दैट्स, अगेन यू सी द चेयर इज हैविंग 1.5 feet का हाइट. Everyone will have a chair which will be having the height 1.5 feet. Shape will be different, form will be different, but this portion where you sit remains the same. ठीक है?
सही, मैंने मॉर्निंग में एक्चुअली ऑफिस पे किया है, तो
When you say 1100 mm, 1100 mm, how much would be the width of it?
Width of it,
1100 mm.
it was 43 inches.
हाँ.
Approx 43 inches.
हाँ ठीक है. Okay, no worries. A simple thing.
Around 4 feet.
कोई बात नहीं, आप ऐसे करना 25 mm is equal to 1 inch. 25 mm is equal to 1 inch. आप इसको मान के चल लेना. तो आपका ये जो आया है, जो इस टाइम पे जो आया है, वो आपका 4 feet में 4 inches कम है. 3 feet 8 inches या 7 inches के आसपास है. 3 feet 8 inches का ये आपका width है. तो 3 feet का मतलब होता है 36 inches, और 3.5 का मतलब जाता है 42 inches. So this is 42 inches is the width of this. ठीक है? So why am I doing this kind of a calculation? Because ये चीजें आपको conversion के लिए बहुत जरूरी होती है. People who are into the ID, okay? And this is, you need to make students sensitized for these kind of things. कि measurement कितना जरूरी होता है. इसकी हाइट देखो टेबल की, 760 mm. कितना, क्या है इसका साइज, क्या होगा स्वर्णिमा?
सर आपने अभी बताया 300 is equal to 1 feet, तो 2 feet 2.5 feet.
2.5 feet?
हाफ नहीं होगा, हाफ से कम होगा.
हाफ से थोड़ा कम है. नहीं, हाफ से कम नहीं है, 2.5 feet ही है.
160 yes. इस हाफ से थोड़ा सा इनफैक्ट ज्यादा ये हो गया,
थोड़ा सा ज्यादा है, but almost like थोड़ा सा ही ज्यादा, which is like almost negligible types, you know, क्योंकि आपका सिर्फ 10 mm ज्यादा है उसमें. 750 का आपका 2.5 होता है, 10 mm ज्यादा. 10 mm is only this much. ठीक है? तो मोटा मोटा क्या है? 2.5 feet दिख रहा है ना?
2.5 feet.
And that's what I told you कि आप जो लिखते हैं, जो चेयर होता है, जो टेबल होता है, that's 2.5 feet, right? और ये सब जगह पे यही दिखेगा आपको. सारे टेबल्स की हाइट जो होती है इतनी होती है जो स्टडी टेबल्स होते हैं या डाइनिंग टेबल्स जो होते हैं. ठीक है ना? मोबाइल कैन बी डिफरेंट साइज. किसी को बड़ा पसंद है इतना सा, किसी को इतना बड़ा पसंद है, किसी को इतना. तो अलग है अभी आजकल, बट यूजुअली जो आते हैं आजकल मोबाइल, दे आर ऑफ 5 inches बिकॉज दे फिट इनटू द पॉकेट, द नंबर ऑफ रीजंस एंड दे आर गुड हैंडी। अब आजकल वो यूएक्स यूआई वाले जो होते हैं उसके हिसाब से वो बनाए जाते हैं, ठीक है। Now see, this is correct, this is the way. Aarti ma'am, Aarti Gupta ma'am,
Yes,
that's what
sir.
I'm talking about.
Yes, sir. I understood.
ठीक है ना, ये सो यू ऐसा नहीं कि आपने नहीं किया, आपने ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है,
Yeah.
है ना, ये आपने ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है, ये जस्ट हैव टू फिट इन दोस, मतलब उसको एक आपको डायरेक्शन नहीं पकड़ पाए थे, दैट वाज द रीजन, अदरवाइज और कुछ नहीं था। बस एक बार अगर आपको शायद वो डायरेक्शन आ जाता, देन प्रॉब्ली वो 1 point बनाने के बजाय आप उसको बनाते, ठीक है ना। दैट्स व्हाट आई वांटेड टू टेल यू। तो इमीडिएटली कोई डाउट हो पूछ लिया करो आप, ठीक है।
Understood. Thank you.
गुड स्वर्णिमा।
सर वो लाइट था काफी तो मैंने पेन चला दिया।
अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा किया, वेरी गुड। गुड स्वर्णिमा,
थैंक यू।
वेरी गुड। आप इसको करना चाहो तो व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू कैन पुट सम फर्नीचर आउटसाइड इनसाइड, यू नो, सोफा वगैरह रखना है तो एज अ बॉक्स पीछे बैक ऐसे करके दे सकते हो, ठीक है।
स्मॉल इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट,
ठीक है। गुड, ठीक है, गुड, ओके। प्रतिभा मैम।
यस सर, यस सर।
आप एक बात बताओ, ये एक नीटनेस नाम की चीज से आपका इतना दूर दूर का नाता क्यों है, मुझे बताओ। नीटनेस
नहीं सर, ब्रश पकड़ते ही ना मेरा इतना अच्छी ड्राइंग नहीं है, तो वो थोड़ा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा जाता ही जाता है, कितना भी ट्राई करूं वो कहीं ना कहीं लाइन सीधी नहीं जाती। बहुत प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ, बट इवन माय हैंडराइटिंग इज आल्सो वेरी बैड, हैंडराइटिंग एज वेल एज ड्राइंग, तो दोनों।
क्या डॉक्टर बनने की फिराक में थे क्या, गलती से यहाँ आ गए, ऐसा तो नहीं?
यस सर, यस सर, मतलब डिजाइन फील्ड में नहीं था, बट ठीक है।
हाँ, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट को अगर ऐसा दिखाओगे ना तो वो कोई बेंचमार्क मानेंगे फिर अपना।
यस, दैट्स व्हाई मैं ये सब्जेक्ट भी नहीं लेती हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे पता है मेरी हैंडराइटिंग एज वेल एज माय ड्राइंग इज नॉट गुड। In this I took help from Misha ma'am.
Okay. Okay. $254 mm, कुछ समझ में आया क्या था ये? What is that? How much would be the height?
254 might be गलत लिखा गया। No, the height is 40 inches.
नहीं, ऑब्जेक्ट मेजरमेंट में जो पहला वाला जो पॉट है जिसको मैं देखता हूँ, पॉट,
यस,
जो पॉट है,
यस,
उसमें जितना मेरे को समझ में आ रहा है 254 mm you have written as a height.
Yes.
And जो उसका width है, that you have written it as 812 mm.
Yes, yes. इसकी width नहीं रहेगी, इसका diameter था। above one ना, एक second.
लेफ्ट में एक गमला दिख रहा है मुझे,
पॉट,
पौधा जिसे,
यस यस,
ठीक है, जैसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं। तो वो जो गमला है जिसे पॉट बोला जाता है, जिसके अंदर एक वृक्ष लगा हुआ है, ठीक है, उस वाले में जो पॉट की जो हाइट आप बता रहे हैं, दैट इज 254 mm.
यस,
आपने लिखा हुआ है वहां पे, आपका रिकॉर्ड पे सामने जो दिख रहा है स्क्रीन, ठीक है ना। और जो बॉटम में जो विड्थ है, अभी आप कह रहे थे विड्थ नहीं, उसका डायमीटर है वो।
हाँ सर, वो एक्चुअली ये एरो घूम नहीं पाया था, मतलब डायमीटर एक तो सर्कमफ्रेंस है और एक डायमीटर है। ऊपर वाले का पहले मैंने हाफ डायमीटर लिया था एंड बीच में से मैंने फिर सर्कमफ्रेंस लिया था, तो वो लिखने में थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया।
So basically you are saying it is a 812 mm is a circumference, it is
yes,
not a diameter.
yes, no,
That's
no,
what you're saying.
it's yes.
Diameter मतलब ये जो ग्लास है, ये जो
हाँ,
ग्लास है, इसको आपने ऐसे पूरा ऐसे घुमा दिया,
वो circumference पूरा होगा, diameter is the half circle का जो रहेगा.
हाँ, मतलब ये जो इसका ये जो मैक्सिमम जो लेंथ होती है बीच वाली,
ये
that is your
हाँ जी,
diameter.
yes.
तो ये आपका वो नहीं है, is that so?
नहीं, yes.
वही कह रहा था. तो आपने जो 812 mm जो है,
वो सर वो एरो थोड़ा नीचे, हाँ जी.
सर्कमफेरेंस है ना?
Yes, मतलब उसका राउंड में जो था पूरा.
ठीक है. तभी मैं बोल रहा था कि वो देख के किसी को आप भेजोगे ना, तो कुछ और बन जाएगा.
नहीं, वो एरो नहीं हो पाया था ये प्रेजेंटेशन में ना, वो कर्व में नहीं आ पा रहा था सर.
आपको कर्व देने की जरूरत ही नहीं थी, आपको सिर्फ विड्थ देना था.
ओके.
आप मुझे एक बात बताओ, आप अगर मैं
हाफ डायमीटर मतलब मुझे ये सर्कल है क्योंकि, तो उसका सिर्फ डायमीटर लिखना था.
थांबा.
अच्छा,
थोड़ा रुकिए, एक मिनट. मैं आपसे ये बोलता हूँ कि आपको एक सर्कल बनाना है 6 इंचेस का, डायमीटर 6 इंचेस. इतना ही काफी है आपके लिए, क्योंकि आपने 6 इंचेस को उसमें रखना है कंपास के अंदर, और उसे रखना है, घुमा देना है.
ओके.
इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ उसका क्या, अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि उसका जो सर्कमफेरेंस है, सर्कमफेरेंस जो है, अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि उसका 35 इंचेस का उसका सर्कमफेरेंस है, तो आपकी जिंदगी निकल जाएगी उसको 35 को मिलाने में. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
You got my point. So इसीलिए मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि easiest thing in the life is to make your life complicated.
Okay.
अभी this is the best example. Santa ma'am, do you agree with me?
Yes.
तो अब मैं यही कह रहा हूँ, प्रतिभा, ये यहाँ पे अगर आपने किसी को ये दिया 812 mm, suppose I'm just giving an example. मैं जो कारपेंटर हूँ ना, जब मैं इसको देखता हूँ, तो मुझे उसके आपसे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. आपको जो that pot which is there, I'm least interested to see look at it. मुझे सिर्फ इतना पता होगा कि ये कुछ पॉट है, जो स्पॉट ही है, मतलब ये इट इज नॉट कॉट, इट इज पॉट. ये उसका रेफरेंस होगा मेरा, और कुछ नहीं है. बट उसका जो डायमीटर है, दैट इज लाइक अ बाइबल फॉर मी.
ओके.
तो 254 mm का तो मैं हाइट बनाऊंगा, और मैं जो उसकी विड्थ बनाऊंगा वो मैं बनाऊंगा 812 mm की. एंड 812 mm विल बी हाउ मच?
थोड़ा, अच्छा,
थोड़ा नहीं, 4 टाइम्स.
हाँ.
इसकी हाइट में इसका जो विड्थ, जो रेशियो होगा, विड्थ जो होगा, दैट विल बी 4 टाइम्स. तो आपने जो पॉट देखा है वो जाके कुछ और बन जाएगा जब मैं आपके सामने वो आएगा तो.
ओके.
So do you understand the meaning of
yes,
these dimensions?
I got it, sir.
So I want you to be sensitized towards it so that you can make your students sensitized towards it.
Sure.
ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay. ठीक है जी. अब इसमें if you want, I think you should be taking this one. Take this. Make it a little more simpler.
Okay.
As simple as you can. Make it a little more simpler.
Okay.
Okay. When I'm saying simpler means how will you make it as a simple?
और सिंपल मतलब और क्लियर सर्कल, सिंपल सा स्क्वायर, सिंपल सा रेक्टेंगल.
हाँ, तो आप इसको सिंपल एक स्क्वायर बनाइए, इसको एक रेक्टेंगल बनाइए. इसको आप ऐसे इसके ऊपर एक सर्कल जैसे होता है 1/4 को लेके, मतलब ये जो रेक्टेंगल है इसका 1/4 इसके अंदर चला जाएगा, एंड इट इज लाइक 3/4 व्हिच इज कमिंग अप देयर, राइट? इस तरीके से. ठीक है. एंड देन मे बी यू वुड लाइक टू हैव योर पी का, अगर है कुछ पी का, तो मे बी आई डोंट माइंड कि आप इधर से कहीं ऐसे लेके यूं एक लाइन लगा के, लाइन मतलब गिव अ थिकनेस टू इट, ओके, वॉल, एंड देन you put around like this half semicircle. I don't know, maybe just a counterpart of it, या आप बैलेंस करने के लिए ऐसे कुछ कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, बहुत सिंपल.
ठीक है.
ओके. ये प्लीज इसके ऊपर मार्क करके, और बिकॉज इन द नेक्स्ट मीटिंग व्हेन वील मीट, आई वुड लाइक टू हैव द सेम. ओके. right?
Right.
मिशा पहले से हंसने लग गई।
जो एक्सटर्नल वाइवा लेने आते थे ना कॉलेज में, वैसी वाली फीलिंग आती है मंडे एंड फ्राइडे कि आज एग्जामिनर वाइवा लेने वाला है।
ठीक है, ओके मिशा, इसमें जो है आपको एक खास बात बताता हूँ कि आपने जो है, ठीक है, एज अ कॉम्पोजिशन, ठीक है, आप इसको जितना सिंपलीफाई, अभी तो आपने, हालांकि मैंने दिया नहीं था ये आप लोगों को ब्रीफ, बट आपने खुद ही इसको कुक कर लिया कि हाउ टू मेक अ ब्यूटीफुल कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कॉम्पोजिशन, ठीक है, तो कोई बात नहीं, अच्छी बात है, दैट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द लर्निंग। अब इसको डी लर्निंग करेंगे, इसको हाउ टू मेक दिस कॉम्पोजिशन एज सिंपल एज पॉसिबल, ठीक है, तो एक्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे इसमें से एलिमेंट्स को, ओके, एंड देन यू ब्रिंग आउट विद दोस 4 एलिमेंट्स, दैट इज इट, ओके।
व्हिच वन आई हैव टू टेक?
हाँ बताओ मेरे को, आप बताओ। Considering the fact that it needs to be as simple as possible, तो it means यहीं से आपकी simplicity start हो जाती है, so it means you should be taking something which is the least complicated or the simplest out of these 4. So which one do you think would be that simplest one be?
The first one.
That is the simplest for you. हे भगवान,
Because the rectangles हैं, curves वगैरह में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा। मुझे लग रहा है आप 3D कहोगे इसका, तो उसमें मुझे लगता है कि curves will create problem.
अरे बाबा, 4th one is the one which is the simplest out of all, which I feel. Okay, अब इसमें भी पहले तो इसे विजुअली सबसे ज्यादा सिंपल ये दिख रहा है आपको, 4th one, ठीक है। अब आप बात करते हैं इसको कैसे इसको और सिंप्लीफाई किया जाएगा, ठीक है। तो जो कर्व जिसकी आप बात करोगे उसको हटा दो, ये जो एलिफेंट ट्रंक ऐसे हटा दो यहाँ से, if this happens to be the case, हटा दो इससे,
ओके,
ठीक है ना। अब इसमें आप 4 एलिमेंट्स को ले लो, अपना m वाला एक ले लो, जब m का जरूरी नहीं है कि आप फुल m you have to take, you may take half of it.
ओके,
लॉ ऑफ कंटिन्यूटी पता है जो मैंने बताया था? So what happens, you take half of it and just put one line which is on the left hand side, it is not connecting, but there's one line coming and visually I will be able to connect it as m.
Okay, understood.
ठीक है ना, इस तरीके से, so you still have your letter intact, okay, and then you are having one circle on the top somewhere in this area, circle type का एक rectangle आपने यहाँ पे कहीं ले लिया, उससे थोड़ा सा overlap करता हुआ, and then m is coming somewhere in the, so these are binding factors for all these 4 shapes, you know, which you have.
Okay.
ठीक है,
Yes.
ऐसे करना उसे,
ठीक है।
हाँ, that's good. That's very good.
Thank you.
मिशा, मेरी आपसे बहुत एक्सपेक्टेशन है ये, आफ्टर सीइंग दिस, हाँ, तो अपने पैरों पे कुल्हाड़ी नहीं मार रही है, पैर कुल्हाड़ी पे मार लिया, ठीक है ना।
ओके,
क्या समझी, एक आपसे और एक
आपसे खुद मुसीबत बुला ली है।
हाँ, एक आपने किया और एक ये आरती एस, ये दोनों से मेरे को काफी ज्यादा वो है एक्सपेक्टेशन सब, ठीक है।
एक्चुअली सर ये क्या हो रहा है ना, आप एक्सपेक्टेशन का प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है। ये जो थर्ड एक्सरसाइज है ना, ये जो फोटोग्राफ वाली, आपने उस दिन लास्ट क्लास में बोला कि मिशा उठाएगी चीजें इधर उधर से और जल्दी से कर देगी, मुझसे वही टास्क नहीं हुआ, बिकॉज आई हैव दैट इन माइंड कि सर ने बोला था कि मैं उठा लूंगी, मुझसे कुछ उठाया ही नहीं जा रहा, तो ये इनकम्प्लीट रहेगी लास्ट एक्सरसाइज।
नहीं, जब मैं कह रहा हूँ उठाने का मतलब पता है क्या होता है, उठाने का मतलब आपको बेड को उठाना नहीं है जमीन से, मतलब इतना भी ज्यादा वाइल्ड इमेजिनेशन नहीं होनी चाहिए थी, जो कि हो गई आपकी। मेरा मतलब ये था कि अब वो अपने आप को उठाओ, उनको नहीं उठाना, अपने आप को अपनी जगह से उठाओ और वहां पे जाओ, तशरीफ जो है, तशरीफ को आप उधर लेके जाइए।
हाँ, बट प्रॉब्लम इज मुझे ऐसा लगा कि वो नॉर्मल लगेगा, इट विल बी अनदर नॉर्मल ऑब्जेक्ट, तो ये गड़बड़ होगी थोड़ी। बट height is 450 mm, length is 450, and total height is 900 mm, back height is 450 mm.
कहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है?
नहीं लिखा नहीं है, मिशा बता रही है।
अच्छा, ठीक है, गुड। तो ये कंप्लीट करना है, ठीक है, ये वाला. And please, I think you are accustomed to it, but फिर भी I'm telling you that take those objects, okay, like any of the other objects, I don't know, maybe, and have a relevance to of it, like आपका kitchen का जो slab है,
that is 3.
That is 3 feet, right? So there is a reason for it, okay?
So what I do with students to teach them all these standards, तो मैं ऐसे ही नहीं पढ़ाती उसका साइज ये है, इसका साइज ये है. I teach them the body figure. So जैसे fashion वाले body measurements पढ़ाते हैं, same way I do it. So there are some facts like you cannot change it. So palm का जो हमारा size होता है ना, I just tell them it's equal to your face size. So if they calculate this, so they get very fascinated. Even if I talk about from my middle finger to this half arm, it's standard for everyone. So it's 1 feet 6 inches. तो 1 inch ऊपर नीचे होता है, just like furniture. So when students calculate this, I just tell them if you put your arm like this on table, how we calculate की width 2 feet होनी चाहिए 1 feet 6. So आप कितना usage कर रहे हो with your body, वो भी justify करता है उस चीज को. So this is how I actually teach them with body measurements.
Absolutely, that's the correct way. That's the correct way. But that is 2. That is part 2, not the part 1. Part 1 is whatever is existing. First, let them see it, let them measure it, let them explore it, let them extract it.
Right.
Once they extract it, कि हमें ये commonality मिली, and we tested 5 chairs and 6 chairs. We measured उसका back, side, width, handle, all these were different, but one thing was common there, where the person sits. That height was same.
Yeah.
So then they will start thinking why. Then you can connect this. Then you will connect this, what you are saying right now.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I mean, there is a sequence. There's always so this is good that the way I'm learning your methodology and I'm giving my methodology, so they can be clubbed together, marry with each other, and then give it to the student.
Right.
So it will be fascinating for them. कि अच्छा ये ऐसा निकल के आया था. That is the logic behind it, and they will never forget it after that. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
चलो ठीक है. Misha, this 4th one, okay, this mark on it.
Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening. Yeah, that's interesting. Simple.
Simple, yes, sir.
That's nice.
Sir, more focus on the geometrical shape and the less on curve lines and the.
Good. Yeah, that's nice. I like this one. It's a nice composition.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, while you are taking any, I will suggest you to take this one.
Okay.
Okay. To make it more simplified, what you need to do, remove this triangle from here.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Remove this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And take this shape. This you would like to have, maybe you would like to take it more down.
Okay.
This one. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
And then milify this.
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Or maybe if you don't want, let it be this only. Forget about it. Don't go. This. Then.
Okay. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Ah, that's nice.
Thank you. This is same room, our room.
Very good. Excellent. Is it 10 out of 10? Beautiful.
सारिका, इसमें आपकी कवर्ड है, उसकी थिकनेस नहीं है क्या?
नहीं है मैम, वो मर्ज है, वॉल के अंदर मर्ज है.
वॉल के अंदर वाला ना?
यस सर.
No. Get me a glass of water, please.
मतलब वो आपकी बिल्डिंग से बाहर जा रही है?
यस मैम, वो प्रोजेक्टेड ब्लॉक है बाहर.
बाहर को होता है ना, जो पीछे को प्रोजेक्टेड वाले होते हैं.
यस सर, वो एलिवेशन के लिए प्रोजेक्ट किया है ब्लॉक, और उसमें अंदर से कवर्ड निकाली है.
वो क्या होता है उसके साइड में ना, उसके पीछे की साइड पे, वहां पे वो वाले होते हैं जो क्या बोलते हैं उसे, यूजुअली ये कहाँ करते हैं, जो बिल्डिंग जब आर्किटेक्चर जब करते हैं तो पीछे से जिधर ड्रेनेज पाइप वगैरह होता है ना उसके बाजू में ये साइड को पीछे निकाल देते हैं।
सर नहीं, ये हमारा
शाफ्ट है।
फ्रंट है, सॉरी सर, ये फ्रंट है हमारा, और माय हस्बैंड इज आल्सो आर्किटेक्ट, तो उन्होंने वो ब्लॉक प्रोजेक्ट किया है बिल्डिंग से। तो
नहीं वो ठीक है, अरे बाबा मैं वो नहीं कह रहा, आई एम सेइंग कि यूजुअली क्या करते हैं लोग
यस यस सर,
कि जो आपको जो ड्रेनेज वाला जो एरिया होता है ना वहां पे, तो
या
उसके देयर इज अ शाफ्ट, राइट?
Yes.
सो इन ऑर्डर टू यूटिलाइज दैट शाफ्ट, व्हाट डू दे डू, वहां पे ऐसी चीजों को निकाल देते हैं, यू नो, वेयर द कबर्ड्स एंड ऑल, ओके?
यस सर, या
so it will not hamper the interior internal space.
यस यस,
That's what. ठीक है, this is nice. This is also one of the approach. The second approach is other one where you are seeing from the top bird eye view.
Yes,
That is
yes,
also
sir.
another approach. That is, you are within the you know,
within
space
the room, yes.
within the room. However, I was looking more from that, you know,
outside the room.
outside. Okay.
Yeah.
This you could have taken as a drawing number 2. That first you
Okay.
made it from there, and then you are inside the room.
Yes. Sir, only 3 is complete. I take a picture of 5. And sir, this exercise same we do with our students. Same. Only the difference is ये जो objects है उसको हम sketch भी कराते हैं और then dimensioning कराते हैं उसकी. उनको measure करने के लिए कहते हैं, और सेम उसके साइड में, इमेज के साइड में हम उनसे स्केच करवाते हैं और फिर उसको डायमेंशनिंग कराते हैं.
ठीक है,
सेम,
ठीक है.
फर्नीचर के साथ, तो उनको फर्नीचर के मेजरमेंट्स लेना भी आता है और फर्नीचर ड्रॉ करना भी आता है, स्केच.
So I have done it, but I will share my screen because I'm still continuing the work.
हाँ ठीक है, please. ठीक है, show me the next.
I messed it up a little bit, but I was losing my patience. There are little mistakes of that sofa which needs a little thickness, and I know it's
basic mistake क्या हुआ है पहले ये बताओ. This one basic mistake which has happened here. Basic mistake हुआ है, बहुत blunder हुआ है, blunder.
I don't think so. So maybe I am not getting it, sir.
Yeah, ऐसे बोलो कि you are not getting it.
Yeah.
हाँ, that is much correct way to put it across.
Okay.
हाँ, see what has happened there. आपके जो vanishing point होते हैं ना, they always will be at the same line. आप देख रहे हो, आपका जो left वाला vanishing point है, that is towards the, it's down, and the one which is on the right hand side, it is up. If you put
so
a
maybe
scanning
issue. So scanning issue. So rotate में हो गया होगा, but on the book it is flat, straight. You're talking about the two vanishing points on the same line, right?
Yeah, if you have a scale, okay, if you put it on your left wala vanishing point, okay, and keep it straight in the sense which is like parallel to the ground. So the right wala jo vanishing point hai, that should be falling exactly onto the same line, okay.
Okay.
But it is okay. I will give you one example. No, go back.
Sorry.
Okay. Left wala jo vanishing point hai, left. Okay. I don't know which one is left for you. Left is one for me. The one which is like a paint.
The
like
one which is on the screen is left for me, sir.
The one which is on the correct. Same for me as well. The same one. Okay.
Yes,
which is behind those paintings which are on the wall. You know, behind that.
Okay.
That is the left for me. Correct.
Okay.
That line, that point, and then you put a scale, and scale is at the window जो देख रहे हैं ना, window की जो नीचे वाली line है उसके ऊपर वो scale जाएगा, ठीक है? And keep it straight. Put a straight line. See, your vanishing point will be above that.
Okay.
Do you see what I'm saying? Do you know what
yes. A little bit it has shifted.
Wait a minute. Just wait a minute. अब कहीं मत जाना.
No, I'm not going, sir.
ये देखो. Can you see me? That's what.
हाँ.
अब ये स्कैनिंग कभी नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि अगर had it been scanning, this is straight, this is absolutely straight. मतलब अगर स्कैनिंग होता तो यहाँ पे भी ये पूरा skewed होता, but it is absolutely parallel, such a thin line.
Okay, got it, sir. Yep.
So because of this problem is happening. ठीक है? So मैं इसको सिरे से reject करता हूँ फिलहाल, ठीक है?
Yeah, sure, sir.
So it is very good. No, it's not that. See, the reason why I'm saying so, because it is good. It is very good. The way you have drawn it, it's all fine. I'm not saying about that. But only thing is, since vanishing point is not correct, so because of that, ये मेरे को skewed लग रहा है, and it is a sour to my eyes.
Okay.
ठीक है? So otherwise, ठीक है, you have done, you tried, सब कुछ दिखाया है. I mean, we can talk about it a little later.
So I have not done that 5 things. I'll do it.
अच्छा, ठीक है, करो उसे भी करो.
So anyone from this for selection?
I'm telling you. Wait. Which one would you like to choose? If I
First two.
The first two. आप इसको second को देखिए. Second one. Okay. Second can be 1 and the third can be 1. Okay. And out of second also, I will go for second and third. I will go for the third one round. ठीक है?
Done. Fine.
नहीं, third नहीं. Okay, let's go to the second one. Forget about the third. Go to the second one. Second में आप जो है, इसमें आप जितने भी complicated elements है सबको हटाइए बीच में से. Like what all? I will tell you. Remove this. No, sorry, I cannot. Okay, wait a minute. Remove this element.
Okay.
Remove this element.
Okay.
Okay.
So, but if I remove it, then the continuation.
Make a circle here.
Okay.
You can take a screenshot of this. That's not an issue. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Make a circle here. This one. Okay. You made a circle. You circle banaya wala. Make a circle. This curve. Okay. You might like to, I don't know, instead of having this curve out here, maybe if you can do curve like this. A simple curve. Maybe यहाँ पे just एक simple curve.
Okay.
ठीक है, something like that. Just 3 or 4 elements put together, and that curve will have a thickness, wall thickness. Okay. Why am I saying so? Because these elements have to be given the elevation. Height needs to be given to these elements. And this is the reason I'm telling you, make a composition now simple. Because if you try to do
make
this
it more simpler, so okay, fine.
Yes,
understood.
Now you understood why. Just imagine if you are giving the height to this composition, what will happen? पहले लाइफ में इतने सारे झमेले और पड़ जाएंगे, ठीक है?
Yes, I'll make it more simple.
ठीक है, now you understand why am I asking you, and believe me, that's what happens. So people, they make the complicated composition because it looks nice. But when it comes to taking it to 3D, they will try to make it as simple as possible, because then they realize the significance of having the simplest composition. Because these elements will go up, okay, they will have a various heights and they will get connected with each other. And why so? The reason, then you will be able to understand the meaning, so-called elements of space. So something which was the 2D, two-dimensional, it was again a space, but they were the shapes, but now they are transforming as forms, and again they are getting played around in the space, again getting composed and creating a space, same like 2D, which is graphic design, and it's out here, it's the interior design and the your whatever, you know, space design.
I'll do that soon. Yep.
Okay, so I hope this is the reason you understood now.
Yep. I'll make the changes.
Okay, sure. Good. So anyone else who has not understand, who did not understand the reason why it is being done? Ipshita is not there. Okay, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है. कैसे आता है ये? You can stop sharing your screen. Aarti.
Stop. I've stopped.
अच्छा, you stopped.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, ठीक है. So now this is the thing which I was telling you. Why you need to simplify your composition. Okay. Now I will take you through a little bit of things like what is the purpose of doing so. Okay, what are we going to get out of it? So let me just try to understand. Can you see my screen? No. Okay. Can you see my screen now? See, if these are those elements which you are putting onto your frame or on your paper, okay? These are those elements, suppose, and these are two-dimensional, correct? Are simple shapes. So what has happened after this? These are the same elements. Keeping the same elements as a base, the space has been extracted out of it. See this. These are those elements. After giving the height and the width. You getting my point? So once you give the height and the width to those elements which you have drawn on the paper, so something like this kind of shape will come. Anyway, I will not take you to that extensive exercises, because that is the disciplinary exercises, but at least this is the kind of thing which I would like to see from you people up to this level, so that how the elements which are used in the space, they interact with each other. And out of those elements, that people, they have come up with these kind of creations, some theme park, a very futuristic kind of a city, something like that. Someone is making something, some sort of things are making people. And these are the same elements. That cup which you saw on the top, look at this. Can you see very clearly now? Now it is a space, that same composition, which is like around 6, 7, 8 inches. Now it has become something like some 30, 40 feet high story building. Can you see? Now there is a car, there is a, something, some sort of things are happening out here, some kind of an architecture. Okay. Same one, someone has extracted space out of it like this. Again, all of them, they are from the same elements. So if you see very categorically what is happening out here, RTS and everyone, please just pay attention out here. See what is happening. These shapes which you have taken, these shapes, once you give them the height, how will you depict that height in a similar manner? That precisely my point was, to draw a room. Okay, that was the reason for me you to draw a room with a width, height, and length, and putting the elements like some furniture or maybe some window or plinth, whatever. So what happens then? It will be easier for you to put it across like this on the paper of the elements, the way I've shown out here, taking it from 2D to 3D. Okay, and if some enthusiastic person is there, can make some plinth, some staircase or something into it, and can transform this. So idea is that how you take it forward, your design. So even if you must have noticed, like as I was telling you in the last lecture of mine, I was telling you, like, if you ask anyone, okay, show me the house, so send me, so you will always ask for the plan view, because in the plan view you get to see the entire thing in a one snapshot, what is put where, remember? And then you get to see the height. Okay, mera master bedroom kitna hoga, how much would be my drawing room, how much would be the kitchen, then you get to see and you visualize it. How much would be the width and all, and width and length and width you can visualize only once you are walking through the space, when you know what is the meaning of 1 foot, how big the 1 foot is. So are you seeing that everything is interconnected out here? Everything is interconnected here. So what I showed you, 1 feet is equal to these many inches is equal to this right? All that I told you. So everything is getting interconnected. So my kitchen, if I say 5 feet by 5 feet would be your kitchen, if I'm an architect and offering you that house, so you will say, we are fine, okay, absolutely fine, and I'll sell it off to you. But if you're a smart customer of mine, you will always say 5 feet by 5 feet. What are you saying? Are you mad? 5 feet by 5 feet, it's so claustrophobic. I don't want that to happen. Then just give me a second. I need to get mad. George. Wait a minute. I'll take it to the same place. Just a minute. Can you hear me now? Hello? Okay. So that's what it is, some of the elements which I showed you. Okay, so I was telling you that why this is like important for all of us to understand the scale and the elements. So as I was saying, like if you are my smart customer, so you will say 5 feet by 5 feet. Are you out of your mind? 5 feet by 5 feet or 5 feet by 4 feet is such a small area for me to give for the kitchen. Do you know what is the meaning of it? It will be so claustrophobic. Of course it will be. Won't it be 4 feet by 4 feet? You can't sit, you can't stand, you can't bend down. Correct? You won't be able to do anything, and then you are having so much of heat around. You will you'll go mad. So there has to be some kind. But if I say 18 feet by 18 feet would be your kitchen, then you will say, are you out of your mind? 18 feet by 18 feet. Do you think 18 by 18 feet is not even my master bedroom? I don't have that much of luxury of space. I would rather go for the green patch in my house. rather than having, or the balcony, rather than having one room like this size. So this happens when you understand the space, when you understand the scale. Agree with me? Okay. Now see this. It's the same thing. If you look at this, it's the same area. See? It's the same area. But how it has been taken forward. The basic DNA of the space happens to be where it has been taken from this area. This center, these elements, you need to have some base, some reference to start off your work, correct? Then you do the addition, extraction, something, but base to kuch hona chahiye na? So you got inspired from these elements, and these elements you transform that into the space. Check it out. Now check this one out. Now this area, this area, this area, extracted. Can you see that it has been extracted, this portion? Can you see that this area has been extracted? So that's the thing which I'd given to the students, that you extract, edit, do the addition into it, and transform the space. And now you won't be able to see that it's the same space, like those elements. It's a space now. So how do you bind the elements together to generate the space? That's what my whole crux of this exercise was. So as we go along, we will be seeing much more. Okay. So anyway, but one more thing, that is a very, very less submission of the work. I think first time in my history I've got such less submission. So थोड़ा सा है disappointment तो है मुझे इस चीज को लेके. कैसे करेंगे इस बात को भाई? How do we tackle with this? जसवीन, किधर है आप?
Yeah, I'm here.
कैसे करें भाई? ये तो बहुत ही कम दिया है इन्होंने आज, मतलब I hardly could see.
दशहरा मनाने लग गए मुझे लगता है.
मुझे लग रहा है सब रावण को जला रहे थे आज सब, लेकिन अब
जो अभी हैं यहाँ पे जिन्होंने नहीं दिया है, हेतल और कौन है, दिव्या, एमी. दिव्या, आपकी बहुत कम असाइनमेंट्स देखी है हमने, क्या बात है?
दिव्या कौन है?
Divya is from Chandigarh and we've hardly seen any one of her exercises. Divya, are you there?
Hello, yes ma'am. Hello, yes ma'am.
आपका बहुत कम काम देखा है भाई हमने.
Ma'am, I'm catching up with the things actually. बीच में जो मिस हो गया था उसके साथ catch up.
वाला पहले जो अभी चल रहा है वो तो पहले कर लो ना, बात पीछे वाला अगर आप catch up करते रहोगे तो कुछ भी नहीं हो पाएगा. You have to keep in sync with whatever is happening in the class. You missed out a lot, but then that can be covered up after this is all done. नहीं तो आपका वो भी नहीं होगा, ये भी नहीं होगा, कुछ भी नहीं होगा. आपको feedback किस चीज की मिलेगी? किसी भी चीज की नहीं.
Yes, ma'am, I agree.
Coming for the last 3-4 weeks, I think at least 3 weeks से तो आप पीछे आ रहे हो, and still we haven't seen any one of your assignments. That's a little sad to say.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so please do something about that. कुछ तो submit करो आप. Otherwise, what's the point of attending this class? अब बैठ के देखना दूसरों का काम, you don't learn that much. You don't learn anything. चलो हम जैसे बूढ़े लोग को माफ है, पर आपको तो कुछ करना चाहिए नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
और आमी, आप कुछ कह रहे थे?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, last week I had some house-related issues, so I couldn't attend the whole week. And Friday वाला जो submission है ना, वो I couldn't complete. I'm trying to catch up. I'll complete it most probably by this Friday, hopefully.
You've been submitting regularly, so I really can't blame you कि आपका एक आधा बीच में से miss हो.
Today I have my this poster one submission. Now the problem is I made it on PowerPoint, and when I opened the slide on Google Drive, the fonts are not showing correctly. So I've
we
taken.
can share it from your own end. We can see it from your screen. आप अपना share
I'll just share the photo. Yeah, I'll share the photos because even when I'm opening here, the fonts are not visible. So I'll just share. Just a moment, huh? This is the poster one.
Okay.
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah, it's.
And this one is the other in the posters. And these are some variations, but then again, I need to work on the left one. It's still not looking good.
ठीक है, ये लाइन क्यों दे रहे हो आप नीचे जो है ना? Why are you giving the line? The left वाला ना, we wear the mask, right? Left
I just
this
used
is the
the
one.
poem where yeah. Yes, that was the end of the poem. So then it wasn't visible initially. I'll remove it if not.
No. That's Ari Baba. It's not that because I'm saying. You need to have a convincing reason to it. You know, either you get convinced from me for no reason because I'm saying, okay, or you convince me because of your conviction because of this reason. So which one approach would you like to take?
I wanted the mask to be visible, so that's why
Correct.
the underline.
Correct. Yeah. Absolutely fine. Correct. So I understand your conviction. Okay. Because with a conviction, you told me that this, we wear the mask. That's what you want to make it as a prominent. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in this case, what you need to do, first of all, we wear the mask. Start with the first line. We wear the mask. So this line, the one which is on the top, it's absolutely fine the way you said, okay, it is just one line only to be there, which is a decorative.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Fair enough. I agree that you are abiding by the same. Then next, you are giving the entire text, which is the body text, okay? That you are giving the entire text. It's in the either in your simplest of any of the typeface, okay?
Yes. Yeah.
Be it serif, sans serif, whatever you want to give it as, okay? I say it's a serif one. So in this one, you've gone ahead. Fair enough. Now, there is something called the contrast. So what is happening in this? We wear the mask underline. Uske niche mein jo aata hai, we wear the mask, which starts with the white line. It is getting merged in the background.
Okay.
Then
on the.
Yes. So this is also an art that how do you use your space? The background is. अभी क्या होता है ना बहुत ऐसे ऊपर नीचे निकल के आ रहा है. Haphazardly ऐसा लग रहा है कि haphazardly going here and there. I know that you are trying to give that shadow effect in the bottom. कुछ करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, ठीक है, all that. But ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि मतलब it is getting merged here and there. Okay, some graphical treatment I can understand, but देखो कि थोड़ा prominent दिखे उसके अंदर, prominency आए. ठीक है?
Yeah. Yes.
And then you say we wear the mask. Suppose if you want to say that. So there are three things which are like again and again. There are three lines which are getting repeated. We wear the mask. The first punchline then again starts off with this. We wear the mask. Then last it is getting over with we wear the mask. Right? Okay.
Yeah.
So if you remember, there was one law which was like. At the end, when you do the end को भी ऐसे ही आप करते हैं, ठीक है? उसको भी वैसा ही finish करते हैं bold line में. Then again you get connected to the top one.
Yeah.
Do you remember that? I had said so.
No, sir. Actually, no.
मेरी recordings को check करना. You will get to understand.
Yeah. Yes.
तो उसमें आपने एक चीज, हाँ उसमें आपने एक चीज को तो अच्छा किया कि आपने जो वी वेयर द मास्क वाला जो है ना, अगर मान लो इसके नीचे इफ यू डोंट पुट अ लाइन, सो व्हाट हैपेंस, योर आईज विल टेंड टू एक्सप्लोर समथिंग मोर डाउन, कि शायद इसके नीचे भी कुछ था. लास्ट वाला जो लाइन है ना, वी वेयर द मास्क वेयर यू हैव गिवन द अंडरलाइन, सपोज इफ यू हैड नॉट गिवन दैट लाइन आउट हियर, सपोज, ठीक है, so then what would have happened? Then as an onlooker, my eyes will tend to go more down, कि शायद इसके नीचे भी कुछ और टेक्स्ट होगा. But the moment you have given the underline, then I know that this is the end of this paragraph. I don't have to go down. Clear?
Yeah.
So then what I do, immediately my eye stops at the end and again goes on the top. And it goes into the loop now. From top to bottom, bottom to top to bottom, like that. You're getting my point, what I'm saying?
Yes, yes.
So what you can do, if I were you, what I would have done it, we wear the mask again, I would have made it bigger, little bolder, with a different color. That's the punchline.
Okay. Yeah.
Instead of giving one underline. ठीक है?
ठीक है, I'll try that again once.
देखना कोशिश करो क्या और इसमें आ सकता है, ठीक है ना?
This was the second one.
हाँ.
इसी का first one इधर बनाया था in landscape mode.
That's I really like this one somehow. That's very interesting. Actually, quite interesting, this one.
Thank you. So this is made on PowerPoint.
ठीक है जी, करो इसे. ठीक है.
So this one is okay. इसका थोड़ा font छोटा हो गया. Because फिर बहुत ज़्यादा खिचड़ी लग रहा था when I increased the font.
देखो आप कर्निंग और लेडिंग के बारे में मैंने बताया था आप लोगों को. You remember? There's something in the typography. There's something called kerning and leading. So जो लाइन के बीच में जो आपका स्पेस है ना, was that really required to give that much? Amy, do you really think that
over here? Because when I increase the on the right hand side, the spacing in between, right?
No, the space between two lines is called the leading. Space between two lines is called the leading.
Yeah.
So was that required to give that much of a leading? It could have been more closer. These lines could have been more closer. That's all I'm saying. Okay.
Okay, because I thought it was looking too like too much khichdi sort of thing was looking, so I decided to give some spacing. So I'll try with the other way also, and I'll see what is looking better.
The road not taken. I don't know why this is like a hanging out here. What if it happens that road not taken, which is right on the top as one liner? Then what happens? Or if you really want to make it really, really big, then make it absolutely big, like a huge thick, and then have the typography played around within the same.
Okay.
ठीक है. But good effort. Good. करो उसको. ठीक है, अच्छे.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. So please submit your work as much as possible, okay, and as quickly as possible. So in that way, I must appreciate Aarti Gupta ma'am and who else? Sandra, okay, Sandra also. So even the Swarnima also, you know, all these people, they do like, you know, the best part is you, whatever has been asked, or even RTS also, matter of fact, okay. So all you people, Misha,
Misha, छुट्टी भी चाहिए थी, काम किया।
I'm coming to Misha also. ऐसे थोड़ी होगा उनको छोड़ दूंगा मैं, ठीक है. So all these people, so what do they do? So that is the best approach. Whatever they have, you know, whatever they have done, they'll just put it across. So now what happens in this case, at least I have got something to talk about. Okay. अब इन सब में क्या होगा, ये जो जितनी भी रेंज है आपके, ये जितने भी होते हैं, इन सब में एक रेंज है, ठीक है. कोई चीज मिशा की अच्छी होगी तो कोई चीज आरती गुप्ता मैम की अच्छी होगी, कोई चीज आरती एस की खराब होगी तो कोई चीज मिशा की खराब होगी, राइट. लेकिन एक रेंज मेरे पास आ गई है. You're getting my point? So in this range, I can always give a feedback by saying that this is the thing which needs to be corrected or improved upon, and this is really, really good because it has been taken care of, you know, this particular aspect.